Welcome to the 18th lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. In this lesson, we will learn how to create multiple structures in the sweep using the new waistband mode. Right-click on the relevant panel, then switch to the new waistband mode, and set the appropriate density of the structures. There are 2 structures for sweep, so you need to increase the number of structures and then fill in the relevant density. Pay special attention to placing the info of structures for the sweeps before the body, because by default, the sweep comes before the body in the pattern. After filling in the details, return to the pattern. First, add the relevant nodes. Set the dimensions. And then change the structure desired. Right-click on the relevant node, then switch to the corresponding structure. Repeat the previous steps, ensuring the correct structures are chosen. You will notice that the section below this point is shown as the sweep. This is one reason why the density of the sweep should be placed before that of the body. You can refer to the other tutorials on modifying the knit spec from here. This is how to create multiple structures in the sweep using the new waistband mode. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.